Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I am Sweta, and today's video will be the easy eyebrow tutorial video. To do my eyebrow, I use this L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit. Now I am going to open this palette and show you how this palette looks like. So once you open this palette, you get a mirror over here which is like really nice, and you also get a brush and spoolie along with this. So this is the angle brush which will be really helpful for the application, and this is the spoolie, which is very good thing because I do not have to purchase this extra. Now this palette is brown in color, if you see. So this is the wax and this is the eyebrow powder. Now you should always buy eyebrow palette for Indian eyebrows, especially in either in brown or in gray. So some people's eyebrows are really brown and some people's eyebrows are gray, but you should never buy a black eyeshadow palette or a eyeshadow pencil, because when you apply the black eyebrows palette onto your eyebrow, it really gives that artificial look. So I would not suggest you to buy a black eyeshadow pencil or a palette. So it is always advisable to buy either brown or gray depending on your eyebrow color. So as you can see, and I feel this is perfectly suited for the Indian skin tone. I think so in India for L'Oreal you only get this one. I think so this retails for rupees 800. I'll going to list out the price in the description box below. It is somewhere in between 800 to 900, but it is worth it because I'm using this from 1 year and it has not got over. So yeah, I'm sure it will go for another 1 year. So guys, what I do is I'll just going to zoom in the camera a little bit. So yes, so first thing what I do is, this is the wax. I'm going to take this wax on the angle brush. So what I do is I start from here. I will start shaping up the eyebrows with the wax and fill out all the space which are left out. So guys, the wax will fill out the area where there is a less hair, and also it will let your eyebrow to set for the whole day. Now one thing, so the front part, the inner corner of the eyebrows will always have a less hair, so do not use the same amount of wax here. You need to use less, and make sure that you use this in the upward direction, because the hair growth is in upward direction and not like this. So you should always go in upward direction. And as you can see, I have not used much here. And bottom also, if you want, you can shape the brows however you want. So I am not putting much because I am just retaining the real shape of my eyebrows. Yes, and then what you can do is I'll just going to rub this brush into my hand, because next I'm going to use this powder. So we use the wax, now I'm going to use this powder on this with the same brush. Now same brush. So I'm not, again you see, I'm not starting here from the beginning, I'm starting from here because I do not want the inner corner to be darker, because usually the inner corner is lighter. And then I am going to use the powder and fill the gaps and give the shape. So guys, here you see, here also there is a less hair, so I am applying the powder, and my main concern is this area, so I want to apply and cover this area as well. Yes, then I'm using this spoolie to dust out all the excess eyebrows powder or a wax which is settled down, and give it a nice comb. Yes. Now I have just done this side of the eyebrow. Now you can really see the difference. This is without the brow palette and this is with the brow palette. Now this is what I prefer to do on a daily basis because it is quick and easy. Now if I have an occasion or if I want to give more definition to my eyebrow, then what I do is I take this concealer. Like you can take any concealer. I'm taking this concealer is from L'Oreal Paris, and what you can do is you can just give little bit of shape and definition. So for that you can just it is just like you're giving a definition, and you're already also like kind of cleaning your whatever extra dust or the powder which has remained. We are just giving the definition to our eyebrows. To blend this, you can either use any brush or you can also use the beauty blender to blend this. So I will use the beauty blender to blend this concealer into my skin. Now as you can see the difference, how it was before applying the concealer and now how it is. So it has given the concealer has given a very nice shape to my eyebrows, and it looks very sharp, neat, means it looks better. So I do not do this every day, but if I have an occasion, I have to go somewhere or I have to put a lot of makeup, or if I'm going full-fledged somewhere, so I put concealer. You can really see how much defining your eyebrows can make difference in your look. So you can see this part where I have a defined eyebrow, and here where I do not have any eyebrow palette or anything, but definitely this looks more good. I did the same thing which I did in this eyebrow to this eyebrow. I applied the wax, the eyebrow powder and some concealer, and now you can see my eyebrow looks more defined than before. Like you can see here I did this, as I'll just going to zoom in a little bit and show you how defined this looks. So yes guys, so you can see the difference, like how it looks without using the eyebrow palette and how it looks with the eyebrow palette. It does add a very nice definition to your face, and it changes the look completely. Trust me guys, it changes the look. And one more thing is that if you are thinking that your eyebrows are not same, as you can see my eyebrows are really not same. Like when I say same, I mean the same shape. So my eyebrow shapes are not really same. So you don't have to forget these two are sisters to each other, but they are not twin sister. So the shape of the eyebrow would not be same. So when you are doing your eyebrow, do not tend to draw the same shape. It will look too artificial. Now you have seen I have just retained my existing eyebrow and I have just filled the gaps in between, and this is little bit towards bending, and this is like a more R shape, and I'm completely fine with that because eyebrows would not be same always. But if you have less hair and if you want your brows, if you want the hair growth in the eyebrow, then you can use castor oil, like little bit of castor oil before sleeping, and the hair will start coming. I'm sure it will not come in 1 or 2 days, but in 1 or 2 months if you do it, it will start surely come, because I have experienced that it happened with me as well. And yes guys, and I hope you find this video helpful and you like this video, and if you did, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe and show some love and support to me. And yes guys, and I'll see you soon with my next video. Till then, bye.